Apple, apple. I eat an apple. Banana, banana. The banana is sweet. Orange, orange. I like orange juice. Grapes, grapes. The grapes are fresh. Strawberry, strawberry. She eats a strawberry. Watermelon, watermelon. The watermelon is big. Pineapple, pineapple. I like pineapple. Mango, mango. This mango is ripe. Lemon, lemon. The lemon is sour. Lime, lime. Add lime to the drink. Peach, peach. The peach is tasty. Pear, pear. I have a pear. Cherry, cherry. The cherry is red. Blueberry, blueberry. Blueberries are healthy. Raspberry, raspberry. I eat raspberries. Blackberry, blackberry. The blackberry is sweet. Kiwi, kiwi. Cut the kiwi in half. Coconut, coconut. The coconut has water. Papaya, papaya. Papaya is delicious. Avocado, avocado. I like avocado toast. Plum, plum. The plum is juicy. Apricot, apricot. I eat an apricot. Fig, fig. The fig is fresh. Pomegranate, pomegranate. I like pomegranate juice. Guava, guava. The guava smells nice. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Dragon fruit looks beautiful. Passion fruit, passion fruit. Passion fruit is tasty. Cantaloupe, cantaloupe. The cantaloupe is ripe. Honeydew, honeydew. Honeydew is sweet. Cranberry, cranberry. Cranberries are sour. Date, date. Dates are very sweet. Lychee, lychee. Lychee tastes good. Tangerine, tangerine. I peeled a tangerine. Mandarin, mandarin. The mandarin is juicy. Nectarine, nectarine. I ate a nectarine. Grapefruit, grapefruit. Grapefruit is healthy. Mulberry, mulberry. The mulberries are ripe. Starfruit, starfruit. Starfruit looks interesting. Persimmon, persimmon. The persimmon is soft. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Jackfruit is huge. Olive, olive. I like olives on pizza.